Hey, you found Learning to Surf, where I analyze my surfing to help you with yours. I'm Nathaniel Fife, and today I'm telling you, don't watch this video, it's gonna be boring. It's gonna be boring! I gotta apologize, it's been a while since I posted a video. I've had horrible waves, I went on vacation, my camera wasn't working, missed a bunch of my good footage, and all that I have left is some really boring surfing. So if you stick around, be prepared, it's gonna be awful. I'm in danger, they're after me. They look like harmless children, but they're blood-sucking fiends. Oh, they found me, I'm good. So I've decided that I'm going to be working on the shortboard now. I've got a soft top 6'2" shortboard. So I'm taking it out. The reason why I'm going for a shortboard is it's been suggested to me that I'll be able to do a lot more maneuvers on it. And since it seems like I'm able to get up on my longboard pretty good, that it may be time to try out a shortboard. So I've been working on the kickflip pop-up. I've talked about it in previous videos. This is a pop-up where I'm trying to keep my toes from touching the ground and helping assist myself to get up. This becomes especially important on the shortboard where my toes are hanging off, so I gotta not depend on those. So this is what it looks like. So you probably noticed in that pop-up that my back leg, my heel is coming up off the ground. So as I get in my gravy crouch here, you can see that heel right there off the ground. It's just a mobility issue I have with this ankle. I just can't seem to get that heel to stay down. I don't know if you have any ideas of what I can do to get some more mobility in that ankle. Just gonna keep working on it. So here you can see I'm trying that pop-up, trying to get far up on the board. It's tough on these small waves, but it's what I got. And the nice thing about going in the whitewater is you get a lot of opportunities to surf. Your rides aren't very long or exciting, but you get your pick of which whitewater to take. I think I lost them. Oh no, they found me. So I'm definitely able to get up on the board. It's more of a matter of making sure I get far enough in the front of the board and then keeping my balance, especially on these small waves. There I got too far forward and just fell off the front of the board. So I've also been working on my balance with the slack line, trying to just kind of stand as if I'm surfing, trying to get low on it, just keep as much time as I can on that slack line, just hone in my balancing and the correct position. I think it helps. trying when I get up to not look down, and also like here I've got both arms on one side of me. I'm trying to you know, twist my hips and keep my shoulders pointing towards the front of the board, get that forward arm outside of my leg there. Here were some bigger waves, a little exciting, bouncing me around, getting me here and there. I was able to stay on my feet. Also, when the waves aren't very good, I also tried doing some skimboarding. Definitely not focusing on that, focusing on my surfing, but it's fun to get out there. Hey, surf session's over, had a great time. Got used to riding that shortboard. Hey, have fun and keep it real.